If you have noticed, currently these VOX Style animation documentary videos are exploding all over YouTube. With this, many YouTubers also making videos how you can create these VOX Style Papercut animation videos without using any complicated software and spending hours on keyframing, just using AI. So I thought, let's give it a try and see, can we actually create a full professional VOX Style Papercut animation video using only AI and prompting? To figure that out, keep watching this video till the end. I have created a 4-step workflow for this project, and the workflow follows like this. First, we will generate the script. Second, we will break the script into bits. Third, we will create the scene images. Fourth, we will create the animation. I have created a prompt template for generating scene images and animation. So if you need this, you can grab it from the description. Now let's find our topic and create the script. To generate the topic ideas, I have created this prompt, which will give you multiple event-based documentary content topics. You can increase the number of topics you want. For now, I'm using 5. So let's copy the prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. So our content topics are generated, and from these I'm going to pick this one. Let's copy it and ask ChatGPT to give us 15 to 20-second script on this topic. Well, I'm gonna modify this prompt a little bit. Let's ask it to write every line within 8 seconds. Also, let's change the duration 20 to 30 seconds. I'm still not happy with the script. Let's add one more condition. Ask it to write a VOX Style documentary script. Okay, now it's quite perfect. Although, here we don't need to convert it into scene bits, as the script is already separated into lines. We just need to ask to convert the lines into scenes. Perfect. But if you get a normal paragraph type script, you can use the bit converter prompt. Paste your script right here, and ChatGPT will separate the script exactly like this. Now, as we have generated the script and converted it into bits, now it's time to generate the scenes. For this, we need the scene image generation prompt first. For this scene image generation, I'm gonna use this prompt. Let's copy it and paste it into the ChatGPT. Now paste our scene bits here. And there you go. All the scene image prompts are ready with their scene numbers. I'm gonna paste all the image prompts into Google Flow to generate all these scenes at once. So guys, here our VOX Papercut style scene images are ready. Now it's time to animate it. For this, I'm gonna use the animation prompt I have generated. Let's first copy it. Then in Google Flow, click the 3 dots on the image you want to animate. Then click on this animate option and then paste the animation prompt. Here we also need to select the aspect ratio, number of videos per generation, and the video model. I'm gonna use the Omni Flash model. Let's save it and run it. So our first scene is ready. Let's watch it. You can see how perfect and professional looking the animation is. Honestly, I didn't expect this much precision. Now let me animate all the scenes and then we'll generate the voiceover. So guys, our animation is complete. Now let's start generating the voiceover. For this, I'm gonna use the 11 labs. So first copy our script and then paste it into 11 labs.
Hey, I'm Brian, your go-to guy for stories, ads, and anything that needs to sound like a real human actually said it.
Well, I really like this voice, so I'll use it for our voiceover. Okay, our voiceover is generated. Let's
In
listen to it.
1325, two Italian cities went to war over something almost absurd, a wooden bucket. But the bucket wasn't really the reason. Bologna and Modena were already bitter political enemies. Then, Modena allegedly stole a bucket from a Bologna well, turning an old rivalry into a legendary insult. Thousands of soldiers met at Zappolino, where Modena smaller army defeated Bologna in a devastating battle. The bucket survived, and Bologna never got it back. Today, it's remembered as the strangest symbol of a much bigger war.
Yeah, it's actually pretty nice. Now as we have all the scenes and voiceover, we just have one more step to create our first VOX Papercut Style animated video. And this step is editing. So let me just finish it and then I'll play the final video. So our final version is ready. Let's watch it now.
In 1325, two Italian cities went to war over something almost absurd, a wooden bucket. But the bucket wasn't really the reason. Bologna and Modena were already bitter political enemies. Then, Modena allegedly stole a bucket from a Bologna well, turning an old rivalry into a legendary insult. Thousands of soldiers met at Zappolino, where Modena's smaller army defeated Bologna in a devastating battle. The bucket survived, and Bologna never got it back. Today, it's remembered as the strangest symbol of a much bigger war.
Yeah, it's quite good. Even though I want to improve the scenes and add one or two more scenes, but it's just a trial to see if we can really make it. And the answer is yes, we can easily make it. So if you want to make this type of VOX Papercut Style animated documentary videos, then you can follow the steps shown in this video. I have provided all the prompts I have used to create this video. If you want, you can use them for free. Just in return, like this video and subscribe to FlowCube to watch this type of experimental videos.